How to make someone never forgets you. Dating is pretty much the most confusing and hardest thing around. If you want somebody to never forget you, here are some tips I will show you in this video. Have a life. Have friends. Keep your mind open. Try a lot of new things. Play yoga. Be positive. Never impress him. Try to find yourself a career. Enjoy your life. Enjoy the happiest moments in your life. Don't have high expectations. Be honest with yourself before being honest with people. Know what you want to do in life. Share your past with others. Be self-confident. Don't be afraid of others. I hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel.